I'm ready. Come in.
What is that? What did Santa bring you? It's a huge dollhouse. Wow.
What do you think?
You put your Barbies in it?
Oh, wow, look. Over
It
here.
has a swing for the Barbie to sit in.
Sit in?
What else is in the house? Show me, show me.
Does it have a bed?
Go this way. There's nothing back there.
Here, baby.
Is there a bedroom?
And here's the porch.
Yeah. They have a porch, and what else? Show me the rooms. Oh, is
Let's see the room.
that a bedroom?
Look down low.
We don't need to be up high. What's down here?
Kitchen.
A kitchen?
Up, the stairs, up.
We gotta go get Barbies and put Barbies in them.
Yellow porch.